This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jerry Bottom. What a renovation! You won't find much left here from 1962. New electrical, plumbing, roof, flooring, siding, fixtures and appliances. Multi-generational home sits on 1 acre in Halls Crossroads community with gorgeous country views. Both levels have complete living spaces with separate entrances, kitchens and laundry rooms, 2 homes in 1. Wonderfully spacious great room with formal dining area has peaceful country views and opens to deck with ceiling fans. Open kitchen with breakfast nook features white and gray shaker cabinets, granite counters, tile backsplash, farmhouse sink, ZLine Gas Range / electric stove combo and ZLine Microwave / Convection and island, and a cozy coffee bar. Deck at back entrance leads you through convenient mud room with laundry, and then into a lovely bonus / sun room. Owner's suite has separate walk-in closets, ensuite with gorgeous tiled shower, soaker tub and double vanity. You will find 2 more spare bedrooms with full bath just down the hall off of the great room. Enter another spacious great room from patio that has kitchen with island, 2 more bedrooms, full bath with laundry area, and a media room. 2-car garage has ramp leading to handy workshop area. 2-ton electric heat pump services the lower level, and 4-ton gas combo / split unit takes care of the upstairs. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Bottom at 865-584-4000.